Hello friends, welcome back to our channel The Math Boy. Thanks for your great support to achieving 500 subscribers. Our next goal is to complete 1000 subscribers. Okay, and a happy new year to all. Today's our topic is very interesting. That is the simple interest. Interest. What is interest? Interest. It is the cost of borrowing money. That means if you take money from a lender, okay, you have to give some extra money for that. That's called as an interest. That is extra money that borrower pays to the lender for the principal sum. If you take some money, let's take example as 25,000. After ending, we have to pay more than 25,000. The more money, which is called as interest. Okay, now is our simple interest. Simple interest, its name indicates it is a simple interest. That is, it is a quick and easy method to calculate the interest charged on a loan. Okay, simple interest is the easiest method to calculate an interest. Then where it is used? Its application is used in auto loans. That means we take the car loans. For that we have to pay for the simple interest. Also, every short-term personal loan is a simple interest. Now we see how to calculate the simple interest. That is formula for the simple interest. Formula for the simple interest. Okay, simple interest is the formula that is principal into rate of interest into time period upon 100. Okay, and then what is principal? The principal is the amount you borrow from the person or a bank. Okay, rate of interest it is 8%, 5%, okay, 14%, and the time period. Time period that means for how much time you borrow the money, and it is here is 100. As rate of interest is in percent, so we have to take 100 as a division. The short formula for the simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. That is principal into rate of interest into T for time period upon 100. This is the formula for the simple interest. Okay. Now we see how to calculate simple interest by an example. Our question is Saran borrows rupees 3,000 from Himanshu. That means the borrow amount is rupees 3,000. Okay. From Himanshu at rate of interest 8%. That means R, that is rate of interest is 8% for 2 years. That means time period is 2 years. Okay. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the simple interest and amount that Saran has to pay to Himanshu. Okay. So first we write the given data. What we have given? That is principal. Principal P equals to rupees 3,000. Okay. Second, what we have given? Rate of interest. That is R equals to 8% and time period. That is T equals to 2 years. What we have to find? We have to find simple interest. And amount after 2 years. And what is our formula is? As you all know, formula for simple interest is SI equals to P into R into T divided by 100. And what is the formula for amount? Amount A equals to principal P plus simple interest. So now we calculate the simple interest first. Simple interest, yes, I equals to P into R into T upon 100. What is P? P is rupees 3000. What is R? 8%. And what is time period? It is 2 years. Divided by 100. 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut. What we have got? 38 is 240 into 2 equals to 480 rupees. We got the simple interest 480 rupees. Now we have to calculate the amount. Amount has formula as principal plus simple interest. Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. What is the principal? Principal amount is again 3000 plus simple interest is 480. We got as 3480 rupees. Okay. This is your amount. Okay. After 2 years, Sarang has to pay 3480 rupees to the Himanshu, and our simple interest is 480 rupees and amount is 3480 rupees. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, The Math Boy.